What up, YouTube? Well, this week was another productive week of work. We got the welding equipment in, and I'll show you me trying to learn how to weld. It is quite an adventure. I also ordered the cross members to be fabricated by a local fabrication company that should be in the next week or so. So I'm practicing the welding process to get all that stuff in. I also got a bunch of safety equipment, obviously, for the welding process, so I'll showcase all of that stuff as I'm wearing it and learning how to weld. Alright, so got everything set up. I gotta put my mask on. But here's my first attempt at welding. Here goes nothing. Wish me luck. Well, here's my first couple welds. I ground them down, kind of sanded them a little bit as well, just to see what's going on. Definitely need some more practice before I weld the pieces in place that are going to come in soon. But for the most part, I think once I kind of dial in some settings and practice on a few pieces, I'll be good to go with that. In the meantime, let's check out some other stuff we did. The other things that we did this week is I cut out the members, the cross members that were all rusted out and destroyed. You can see right now. And then I also cleaned off the entry door, took all of the old siding off of that, took the old insulation out of it. It's in pretty great shape, as you can see here. In general, I think it will be salvageable to reuse this door and just get some new insulation and reside it to match the interior of the rest of the shell. The other thing I did was get some jack stands so I can make sure that the Airstream is nice and stable as I'm working on it, and make sure everything's level as I start welding the new members in place. I also continued grinding down the rest of the Airstream structure frame to get all the rust off so I can start painting it once I get the new members on and everything's set in place. If you're still watching, I really appreciate it, and it means that you've enjoyed this content so far. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos and content, and smash that like button so YouTube continues to like my videos. Just to let you know, we're about to start a new DIY series. The first video will be how I build a custom cabinet for our kitchen, and we'll continue with this series here and there as we build new stuff for our house, as well as new stuff for the Airstream. This is kind of in tandem with the Airstream renovation process videos, but I hope you guys enjoy and continue to learn something through these videos. So we'll see you guys next week, and thanks for joining.